I'm hearing, can you feel it? And I keep hearing that since this morning. And I'm hearing also, it's show time. So if this resonates, there is definitely a message for you today. I'm praying for you to be able to feel this new energy. And until this morning, I was really wondering when this flow I keep hearing about is going to hit me, because it was intense lately, extremely intense, massive end of cycles coming with a lot of emotions, a lot of trapped emotion were coming to the surface. And this is how it works. In order to process emotions, we have to unlock them from the subconscious mind, coming to the consciousness, 111, and then we can I'm hearing we have to do it again. So if we have any kind of emotions, trapped emotion in our DNA structure, in order to process it, we have to leave the event again to be able to make sure the body system is fully ready to let it go. The attitude I'm hearing is so important. So it's massive test. When we have to do it again, when we have to go through the exact same action leading to the same motion that we kind of do not want necessarily to leave. It's interesting. It's relief. It's beautiful. It's a relief to be able to repeat. Wow, I love that. Just consciousness. It's beautiful. And that it's this tornado that is leaving you speechless, because you're like, what the F? And that's the truth, my nose is itchy. Why do I have to repeat? It was enough of stress and anxiety giving me fears. I don't want to live it anymore. I don't want to go back to the past. But unfortunately, or fortunately rather, this is how you're going to be able to get rid of fully, truly of this trapped emotion. And I'm hearing most importantly, when it's like a generational curse, a generational pattern stuck in your DNA, you might be aware or not, but it's very uncomfortable, because you realize that your entire family was literally acting from the same place. The same scenario was extending to the whole lineage, and you're the one that is going to be able to free this lineage. And that's what's up. That's being the chosen. That's being the generational curse breaker. That's being the light worker for yourself, for your lineage, for your kids, for Mother Earth. Because when you do it, my God, this protection, when you do it for you, you're helping yourself, but also Mother Earth to evolve, to raise her own Kundalini. Mother Earth, she knows how to heal herself. Like your body system is a technology that is able to heal itself naturally. She just needs some catalyst, and you are, if you found this channel, oh, I got time shift, yeah. Oh my God, this time, this is beautiful. This time, I'm going to tell you again and again that you're going to reap the award. I'm talking to someone out there. If you feel stuck, or if you feel what the F is going on, you feel you're so close, but you're like, what is this tornado? Again, this is chaos before order. In order to receive, I'm hearing, you have to make space. And this is exactly how beautiful the universe I love that. You see, the universe is stepping in your life, making sure you do not have this person or this situation keeping you stuck anymore. So everybody is just moving out of your life. I'm hearing thought structure, belief system that is not aligned with your next shift, with your next alignment, with your next chapter is going to be removed out of your life. And this is so beautiful. You see, this is new boundaries, the divinity inside stepping, goddess, all that stepping inside your life to make sure your boundaries are set up to the next level for you to receive. Again, it's not about what you asked for because you're going to receive it. It's just about goddess, all that is making sure you're ready to receive, that your life is aligned, that your environment is aligned with what you asked for. And it was 555. Massive shift is occurring. Full moon. Cannot make this up. I don't even know when it is. I think it's in few days, around February 1st or something. Be prepared. Yesterday I felt this massive buckle up like emotion, like fasten seatbelt, like oof, this is going to hit you hard, I'm hearing. And I have power and psychic. Ooh, this is beautiful energy. I'm talking to a seer. I'm talking to someone that is on point with their power. And I'm hearing that this new chapter, again, it's not about receiving more. It's about integrating, and you're going to be revealed to yourself. Your powers, they're dormant. They're ready to be activated. If you want to dig deeper, you can check my website. I am an activator for your dormant DNA. You can check and receive my masterclass. This is the most powerful healing in 3 sessions that you can receive to align you, to take your power back, to align yourself with your highest timeline by raising your Kundalini. If you're ready, check this out. I am talking to an earth angel here. This is a message for you. You're ready to know who you truly are. You're ready to remember who you truly are. And I'm seeing a goddess out there that is ready. You might have a strong connection with Egypt. You're ready to take your power back. You've done the work. I cannot make this up. You are about to receive the key, maybe a key to a new house, but you have the key also to your heart. And I'm hearing that someone is ready to offer yourself the key to their heart also. Talking key, I am lucky also here. You are about to step into a very lucky time where everything is going to align in your favor just because you did the work. And yes, you've been hearing this for a while, but again, it was not the right timing for you. And now this shift, you're going to feel it from, if I'm hearing overnight, it's just something that you're going. And if you found this video, it might be today you are into this darkness, and tomorrow you're going to just feel the relief. And I keep hearing relief. You're ready, very ready to receive. I'm tapping into someone that has been very patient. Very, very patient. You might wear an ink. Trust. Oh my God, trust. I'm going to end here because just trust. Trust that is going to happen overnight, because that's how the universe work. Again, you might have an ink, or you're very connected to the ink. I'm talking to an emperor or an empress, very tuned into your power. You're stepping into your power, divine justice, divine karma, divine inheritance. This is what I'm hearing. Your energy is very powerful. Be blessed for eternity. And until next time, namaste.